Hello student, today we do example of chapter 7th, cube and cube root. Example number 1 is 243 a perfect cube. Its solution: divide by 3, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 5 times, not in triplet. That's why 243 is not perfect cube number. Next question number 2 is 392 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is perfect cube. Divide by 2, again by 2, which is equals to 2 3 times, 7 2 times. 7 is not in triplet, that's why we multiply both sides by 7. Symbol of cube root. Take common one number from one triplet to multiply 7. Answer is 14. Hence the smallest number by which we have to multiply, that is 7. And the cube root of number is 14. Next is example number 3. Find the smallest natural number should 53240 be divided so that the quotient is perfect cube. Prime factorization. One, two, 3. 3 times 2. 1 time 5. 3 times 11. Example number 3. 5 is not in triplet, that's why we have to divide by 5 both sides. In division, 5 is removed from right hand side. Symbol of cube root. We have answer is 22. Smallest number by which we have to divide that is 5 and its cube root. After division, we have 10,648 and its cube root is 22. Sum number 4, very easy question, is 1188 a perfect cube? If it is not a perfect cube, then find the smallest number by which we have to divide to make it a perfect cube. Try yourself. Same as example number 3. Example number 5. Find the smallest number by which 68600 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. Prime factor. Eight plus 5, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. That's why this number is not divisible by 3. Now we take 5, divide it by 5. Right? 3 times 2, 2 times 5, 3 times 7. 5 is not in triplet. That's why we will multiply both sides by 5. Now symbol of cube root. Take common one number from one triplet. We have 70. Smallest number by which we have to multiply, that is 5, and its answer is 70. Now the next is example number 6. Find the cube root of 8000. Divide 8000. We can write it as 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2, 3 times 5. Symbol of cube root. Answer is 20. Next, example number 7. Find the cube root of by prime factorization method. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2, 3 times 3, triplet. Symbol of cube root. We have 24 is the answer. Next and last, find the cube root of 17576 by estimation method. First group 576. Now we will find a number whose cube unit digit contain 6, that is 6. Second group 17. Now we will write its tens digit, its cube equal to 17 or less than 17. That is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. 27 is greater than 17. So we will write here 2. So tens digit in the cube root of 17,576 is 2. Hence, cube root is 26. Answer. Thank you.